Good morning, Hooverites. Just going over the agenda and assignments for September 10th, 2020, Thursday. Let's see. So we have our agenda. Remember, we have our Zoom meeting information, the link. Just click on the link. You have your schedule. You have your Epic login. So I think almost everyone's already signed in. Let's see. So you have your Authors Craft PowerPoint. Let's go ahead and click on that and open that up. Let's see. And we've been talking about the Authors Craft and the techniques that authors use to engage the reader. Authors are purposeful. They intentionally use techniques in order to engage the reader and create the best writing pieces possible. All right, so they're trying to engage you. And then we went over to all the way to similes. So you guys will go ahead and view the rest of the PowerPoint. Probably all the yellow ones, and then we'll do the pink ones on Friday. If we get a chance. This is a pretty big PowerPoint. All right, so you're just gonna enable editing and then see the slideshow. But it talks about all the techniques that writers use to attract the reader's attention. All right, so the magic they use to ensure that you keep reading the book or the reading passage. All right, and then we'll probably try to go over some of the pink stuff on Friday. You have that there for you. Let me close that up. Then you have your reading journal with the anchor charts for our author's craft and author's purpose, because those two are a little bit different and we need to know the difference between both. You know, assignment, author's craft, a Kahoot. All right, so you just click on the link and it'll take you to the Kahoot. Please use your name, not a nickname. Use your first and last name to play. Okay, let me go back here. And then you have the pin and the link just in case that doesn't work for you. We read Epic Sharks on Monday. All right, if you haven't done that, that needs to be done as well. You have your spelling list. Your regular spelling list is the first one, and then you have the mod list, spelling list mod on week 4. You have an assignment, and that is your Google Slides, which some of you already did that and turned in. So you just click on here and make a copy and then save it. It's automatically saves, and then you can send it to me. I know some of you already sent it through Gmail and then as a URL or upload or save it as download it as a PDF and then send it that way as well. Okay, or if all fails, take pictures and upload it to the assignment. Okay, try not to send it to the inbox. Only use that as a last resort if nothing else works. Okay, let's go back to home. And that's your link for your slides. And that's all we have for reading. Then let's go to social studies. Click on that. Social studies, we're learning about the 3 branches of government. So you'll have slides to see. You're going to make a copy of it and open them. I think I have mine up here. Let's see. Okay, so here's the copy. So 3 branches of government. You can type your name, class, which is reading or ELAR, and the due date. It'll be due on Friday. The government, what is a government? All right, so it talks about what is a government, the legislative branch, okay, the executive branch, and there's some questions at the bottom that you need to answer or can answer. You can answer them because this is your copy. The judicial branch and your conclusion. So it talks about the executive branch, judicial branch, and the legislative branch. Okay, so you're going to read that information. Sorry, I tried to make the fonts in black, but it looks like I can't do any edits to it. And then you can drag the circles to the direction. If it tells you to do something, you can go ahead and drag the circles. All right, let's do that. And then you can send them to me. It is not a graded assignment. It's more for you to help you understand the 3 branches of government. Okay, so let's go back to our social studies. Then your assignment will be a worksheet. And this takes you to the assignment. Make a copy of the Google Slides to read and review. That's the Google Slides we just went over. Complete the worksheet and submit. Here's again, don't know if it's going to let you. You might have to go back to the copy of the slides and view that, or you can see if you can copy and paste this URL. I'll try to change it for the class. This is a worksheet. Okay, and this is the modification. If you have accommodations, then you do the sheet with the mod on it. All right, but this is your worksheet because it's a Google presentation. All right, and then it'll probably let you edit and then you save it. So I have to make sure it is a copy for you guys. Okay, and then you have the PDF here. Okay, so then you turn in your worksheet and then you submit it through your assignments. You can submit it as a URL or text upload. Let me go ahead and edit that because I don't think it's as a URL, website URL. And then, but don't forget to share. You also have to share the file. That way I can see it when you turn it in. Let me save that. Do need to change that, but I'll do that here in a bit after I get off. So that's your assignments for this week. I forgot to tell you about spelling. Sorry for all the jumping around. But spelling, that was your work for Wednesday and Thursday. All right, well, that's all I have. We'll see you guys in a little while, in a few hours. Bye.